I'm going to walk you through how to log in Just Eat app quickly. So the first thing you're gonna do is install the app and launch it. Once you do so, you will see an interface. Select the option that says Get Started. Then select Accept All Cookies. Now you have to make sure that you give permission for your location. Once you type in your location, you will also be required to enter the building number or name and select Confirm Address. So you have to put in the building number or name and select Confirm Address. Once you've entered your address, you will see the account has not yet been created. So you have to tap on Account and then select Login. Now you get to the exact interface you need to enter your credential in order to get logged into your Just Eat account. So here you have to type in your email address, or you can also continue with your Google account or Facebook account. Once you do so, select Get Verification Code. And if your account is not yet registered, you'll be required to register it. If not, you will get into the specific Just Eat account you need. And that's it.